Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. We got a cool one today. We've got Maserati Levante in, and what we've installed on this vehicle is we've done the ghost system on it, so you cannot steal the car without the PIN code. And what also we've additionally put on is these headrest screens. As you can see, these are beautiful fit, no wires, factory looking. And also if I turn it on, we've got it set up. You can see the cool Maserati logo on the startup. It's running full Android, so this system allows you to watch anything you want. It's like a phone basically, so you can watch YouTube, you got access to YouTube, you got access to Netflix, any app you want you can download from the Google Play Store, as you can see there, the Play Store. So you got Netflix and you can browse the internet. Yes, you got full functionality. Your rear passengers can enjoy and watch anything they want, and also it's got capability of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone via Wi-Fi hotspot to hotspot the data and Bluetooth it to your car's head unit should you want to listen to your car's factory speakers. So the sound from the head unit from the screen will go to your factory system and it will come to the car screen if you want to use Bluetooth. Or these screens do have speakers built in, so if you want to listen on the speakers built in on the head unit, then yeah, you can listen through there as well. Yeah, so if you want something like this fitted on your vehicle, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554, or even message us at info@carsoundsecurity.com. Thank you.